Minnows, dolphins, whales, oh my. Are we on a blog platform or is this a fish tank? Find out what all these terms mean coming up. Hey guys, my name is Spencer Kaufman. Thank you for tuning into this channel. It's all about making information known to you. We've got plugin reviews, software reviews, online hints and tips, social media how-to, and a lot of information on how to be successful on the Steemit blog platform so you can grow your following, spread your message, and be successful online. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 terms on Steemit. They are ranking terms: the minnow, the dolphin, and the whale. Each of these is a specific status on Steemit. You right now are most probably a minnow. That's why you're watching this video. This channel is going to help you grow and eventually become a whale. Now, as the progression of the fish go, so do the progression of steamers. So you start out as a minnow, you're a little tiny fish. You start to grow, you start to do things. Now, a fast way to grow is by commenting on other people's posts, upvoting other people's posts, purchase more steam so you can power it up into steam power to get more influence on voting. Also get involved in the communities. In addition, it really helps if you create good, valuable content. Don't simply share things. This isn't like Facebook or Twitter. It's not a page where you can spam post all kinds of stuff and hope to make money. No, you need to create valuable blog posts because this is like your own website. So you create some valuable content, share some valuable videos, put your comments under it. People will follow you, upvote you, and you'll start to grow. Minnows start out with a ranking score of about 25, and that goes to roughly, let's say, 40. As soon as you go over 40 or over 45, you are now considered a dolphin. You've grown. You've matured. Remember old-time Pokemon? There were 3 levels of everything. They kind of went one stage to the next. Steemit is the same way. So now you become a dolphin. You're at like 45. That goes up to maybe 60 to 65, depending on how much voting power, steam power, rank, influence, etc. you have. So it can vary. You can be a minnow and be at 40 if you don't have a lot of power. So that's why it's important for you to start powering up and to purchase more steam and then power that up into steam power. When your vote value or your steam power reaches about 500, that is the official dolphin whale stage. Because when you hit about 500, now your vote value will be about 50 cents or depending on the dollar conversion, it could be about $5 at the time. We never know because the cryptocurrency is always up and down. Currently, Steem is about $6 to $7. At one point it was almost $20. At one point it was less than 50 cents. So it's always growing. This is why it is important for you, if you're new on Steemit, to buy in now, but don't buy in with all your money. Purchase some steam with partial investment, maybe 30% of your intended stake. In a few weeks, do some more. In a few weeks, do some more, because as the value fluctuates, when it goes up and down, if you purchase it all now and it goes down, you're going to feel really bad. If you purchase half now and it goes down, you can buy more and you'll feel good. If you purchase now and it goes up, you can wait, and when it comes down, you can buy more. So don't spend all your money at once. You've heard this. Never spend all your money in one place. Buy in increments, power up, and you can grow to a dolphin really, really quickly. The next step takes a long time. Probably it'll be like a year before you hit the whale stage. Now, when you get to a whale, this is the point when you are huge on Steemit. Your reputation score is probably in the 70s. It's for sure above 65, 65 to 70. The highest I've ever seen is like a 78 to 82. They're whales for sure. Their steam power is in the tens of thousands. They also have tons of SPD. Their account value is probably over $100,000. I mean, it's just incredible. These people really grow. Their vote value could be worth like $20 a vote. They also have a fluctuating slider, so if they vote on your post, they may only allocate $2 to you, but if they find another post, or if their friend or however is on Steemit, they may allocate $100 to them on their vote. So when you become a whale, you get a lot more options and you have a lot more value on your account. That is your goal. The only way to get there is by posting frequently, getting involved in the community, powering up all the time, and try to buy more steam power. But that is it. Minnow, dolphin, whale. Those are your progressions. Your goal is to get to a whale. I want to hear from you in the comments below about anything in this video or anything on Steemit in general. If you have any questions, I'll jump in and help you out. Also read other people's comments because you'll learn a lot there, a lot of engagement. In addition, if this is your first time on this channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe. I would love it if you would subscribe. This is about making information known to you so you can make informed decisions about the tools you need to be successful online. Until next time.